Guys, it's October 9th at 3:18. We went live. The secret's out. The app is officially known. It dropped the 16th. My pits are sweating. I am anxious. I have again the Juicy program on the app. I am so excited for you guys to try my program. We're all gonna be walking around with wagons. Okay, we're just gonna be a bunch of wagons walking around with the fattest, juiciest booties. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'll have it linked down below. But I'm gonna go to the gym and we're gonna work out. This is a lazuli set coming in raspberry sorbet. It's so stinking cute, and I'm pairing it with this Alpha Elite cotton candy top. It's kind of like a short sleeve bolero. I'm here for it. We're gonna do day one of the Grounds app. I wanna take you guys through my day one Juicy program. Whew. But we're gonna drink Celsius on the way. Webby Celsius up! The sparkling green apple cherry. This has quickly become one of my favorite flavors, I'm not even gonna lie. Perfect for fall too. I feel like anything apple reminds me of fall. And I don't know, this flavor's like freaking good. It's really good. So we're gonna drink this, and this is gonna push us through the Juicy workout, day one. Give us some energy, even though I already feel like I'm bouncing off the walls, but you know what, a little bit of extra energy don't hurt, right? Bro, this flavor is so dang good. Again, you gotta try this one. I feel like this is a lot of people's favorite flavor because you literally just can't go wrong. It's the green apple cherry. Let me know your thoughts because I freaking love it. All right, guys, let's go build a wagon. All right, so for day one on my Juicy program, we're gonna be starting with barbell hip thrusts. Now again, you can go in the app and change this movement if hip thrusts don't work for you. Or if you don't have, say, a barbell, you can substitute it for whatever equipment you do have, which I really like that feature because, again, not everyone has certain equipment or can do certain movements. So I like being able to change it based on your needs. So we're gonna do 4 sets and then picking a weight that challenges us in the 8 to 10 rep range. And again, usually each set, I try to go up in weight. Well, I'm not all the way against the frame. Whoopsie daisy. 90 degrees, feet 90 degrees, chin tucked, coming all the way down, and then coming all the way back up for full range of motion, slow and controlled. Time to add weight. I need a Celsius break. I'm tired already. Let's play some music. I feel like every time I work out, I listen to the same stuff. Guess we'll play it again. Spit in my face. I really want Grounds to come out with a feature where you can like customize a playlist. That way I could have for my program my own playlist playing while you do it. That would be a cool feature. You kind of like get to listen to what we like to work out to. Unless you don't like funk, then that might be a terrible idea. tip in case someone doesn't know. An easy way to take off the weight is you put like a little plate under and then roll the weight up top. My other side just rolled off. And then the weight literally just, okay, normally it does slide off. There we go. Ta-da. Okay. I'm getting tired. Next we're doing barbell RDLs. Again, if you don't like barbell RDLs or RDLs in general, you can switch that in the app. But RDLs are fire for a wagon, so I can recommend. So, again, there's form tips on the app for how to do it. We're going to do a glute biased one. So you want to have more bend at the knees and kind of imagine either a rope pulling just your hips back or just using your glutes to shut a door. You want to keep your spine neutral. You want to keep your core braced. And then I usually do an over-under grip. Feet kind of like shoulder width apart. So, oh, and I use paper towels for grip. I'm not a big glove gal, to be honest. Okay. Again, 8 to 10 reps. I usually come up once I'm past my knee because then my back takes over. You want to keep the bar close to you. All right. I'm feeling quite dizzy. I've got low blood sugar though. I'm taking this new medication. You gotta do what you gotta do. We're gonna be doing Smith machine, Bulgarian split squats. I personally prefer Smith machine over dumbbell. I have terrible balance, so that's why I choose this over dumbbell. If you prefer dumbbell, go for it. You can definitely switch that in the app. Again, 8 to 10 reps each leg. This is my weaker leg, so I know I'm gonna struggle. One more. Okay. I'm done. 2 more sets and then we move on. Doogie. I actually didn't have to readjust this at all, which is... Are you still recording? No, you're not. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, you are recording. What's your days? I thought you stopped recording. Like I was saying, I didn't have to readjust this at all, which was shocking. Normally, I have to adjust this like 50 times and it still don't work. So, that is my peak of the week, okay? I need some water. Alrighty. Let's get in. Oh wait, where's my phone? Hold on. Let me figure out how many I'm supposed to be doing. I don't know. Okay, we're doing 3 sets, 12 reps. Let's do these. So, I'm using a kettlebell. I just feel like I can hold it better than a plate. I don't know, and I feel like with a plate, like I can't hold like a big old 45, so I can do a heavier kettlebell. Just feels better. If you've never done this before, a good tip to feel it in your glutes is to kind of round your back and your shoulders, come up, and then come up this. So I hold the kettlebell up here, come down, and then come up. I don't want to overextend my back. I'm trying to keep good mind-muscle connection with the glutes. And almost using my glutes to pull me up. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. I'm dying. I'm done. So, last we're doing cable kickbacks, not medius. So we're just gonna be bringing our legs straight back, not out with a 45-degree angle, like for the medius kickbacks. I'm only slightly leaning forward. And then you're going to switch legs and do the same thing.